Hi, I'm Karen Thomas from MaximizeY.com, and today I want to share with you my top 5 tips on how to increase your conversion rate on Amazon. Tip number 1, find your customers' why. Why do people want to use your product? There are so many great resources out there to help you narrow down and know exactly why people want to use your product. One great resource that I really love is BuzzSumo.com. It has so many great resources for you to look through to really find your customers' why. You can look through really popular articles and videos so that you know exactly what content is connecting with customers. Tip number 2, start by optimizing your images. You know, the first thing that people notice when they click on your listing is actually your images. Now, what I recommend doing is Instagramifying your images. Now, I know, what does that mean? It means to really make sure you're using beautiful lifestyle images. So what I like to do is start with a beautiful white background product image for your main image, and then go to a lifestyle image. And what I like to do for lifestyle images is have beautiful models using your product in a setting similar to where they would find themselves using your product at home. And then I do a white background picture, and then I do a lifestyle image, and I kind of go back and forth from lifestyle image to a Instagram type product image. So that way your images are super interesting to look at, so that they spend a lot of time hovering over your images. And then guess what? They're gonna trust you more, and they're gonna be more engaged and interested, so that they're gonna wanna read more and look more, and ultimately add your product to their cart. So the next area to focus on is your bullet points. And what I like to do is called the why sandwich method. So I start with a beautiful why tagline. And again, I use that same language that I found in BuzzSumo or looking through customers' reviews, so that I can really know exactly why people want to use this product. So I put that why tagline in all caps, and it's usually about 5 to 10 words long. And then I move into how. How does my product help them get that result? And then I focus on what. What am I exactly selling? And then I end with why. Why do they want to use your product? So that's what I like to call my why sales method. It's kind of like a why sandwich, and I do that for every single bullet point. Next, you want to focus on social proof. You know, your reviews are so important to conversion rate, but also your frequently asked questions. Now, this is kind of a section of a listing that so many people kind of brush over, and they don't think it's as important, but it really is, and it's actually super easy. You can't really get friends and family to leave you reviews anymore thanks to Amazon TOS, but that's actually good news for you, because you can really shine with your frequently asked questions. You can ask your friends and family to just copy and paste a question that you give them, and then have them post it right in your product listing. And then you can go ahead and answer each of those questions with great relevant keywords, that you're getting so much great SEO optimization throughout your listing, and Amazon's gonna reward you for that, having so much engagement, having so many good questions. Tip number 4, use enhanced brand content. Now, with this, you actually do need brand registry, but if you have brand registry, you absolutely wanna use this resource. This is such a powerful tool that I've seen many of my clients increase their conversion rate anywhere from 10 to 20% and make hundreds of thousands of extra dollars every year just by adding enhanced brand content to their listing. Enhanced brand content is so powerful because it's more real estate that you can take up on your Amazon page, and basically it's a great multimedia page that you can use sales copy, and you can input all of these beautiful images right there for more information for your customers to really get sold and hooked onto what you're selling. So if you have brand registry, I highly recommend utilizing enhanced brand content. It's a free tool, and it makes all of the difference in your conversion rate. Lastly, tip number 5, make sure to split test each area of your listing. That way you actually know what is going to increase your conversion rate and what's not. I recommend using Splitly.com, and it's a great way to test every aspect of your Amazon listing so that you can get the very best results to increase your conversion rate and ultimately get more cash flow in your business. Just maximizing the great traffic that you're already getting to your listing so you can make more money in your pocket month after month to really have an efficient and profitable business. Thank you for watching. I'm Karen Thomas with MaximizeY.com.